Hey guys, staying here. It's a laid back, lazy Sunday. Round two, it got big enough for a point and shoot. So I did figure I'd kind of put a little more detail in on the actuator hold down assembly. It's nothing really special and califragilistic as far as that goes. I mean, basically it just holds everything in place as far as the actuator for function. As you can see, it rotates everything to the right and or brings it to the left in relation to whatever the sun's doing. And I don't have the photocell hooked up. I mean, it's still over there. This video is primarily just a demonstration for the actuator assembly, the horizontal actuator assembly, and to give you a little better insight into the hold down mechanism for the actuator. Everything works pretty good. I've got the master control box jumper wired into position. Nothing's permanent, not for demonstration purposes. I mean, later on, you know, things will look good. Now this entire circuit is for the horizontal assembly. For the vertical assembly, you basically just copy everything for the horizontal assembly and make it for the vertical. So it tilts your panels in and out. I'll give you a look at the actuator hold down assembly so you can get a better idea of what that looks like. I mean, last video, well, if I can get the thingamajigger off there, you'll notice I use a lot of highly descriptive technical terms like thingamajigger and whatchamacallit. These are all classified terms, so don't tell nobody. Here's the actual assembly. As you can see, I found the band clamp, and you can pretty much see what its function is. Its function is to hold everything in position. Here I've got a bolt welded to the bottom of the angle iron. You don't have to weld this. I mean, you can drill a hole in the angle iron, run the bolt through there, and then cinch up the bolt to hold everything in position. Use a little Loctite. And in the back, I've got this piece here, and it too is welded to the angle iron assembly. Now, you can say maybe use a shelf bracket or a small piece of steel that's bolted to the angle iron and bent up with a hole drilled in it to hold it to the angle iron. And for that matter, you really don't even need to use angle iron, not for a small backyard project. You could actually make this entire thing out of wood, but you know, it's going to affect the shelf life. Don't expect it to last forever. Nothing made out of wood lasts a real long time. But there you go. I mean, kind of gives you an idea of what's going on with it. Like I say, later on, it kind of gives you an idea of what's going on there. The actuator has to be able to rotate. And then of course this rotates. We'll go in more onto the actual rotation assembly on the pole later. But for right now, I just wanted to focus on the actuator hold down assembly and how it's assembled, put together, and what its function is, which you can pretty much get just from seeing how it operates. I'm not sure what I'm going to put out there next, guys. You'll just have to come on back. Thanks for tuning in. Y'all have a great day. God bless.